The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Kaufman County in north-central Texas, western Henderson County in central Texas, southeastern Ellis County in north-central Texas, central Navarro County in north-central Texas, until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Alma, or 8 miles southeast of Ennis, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Corsicana, Ennis, Gun Barrel City, Maybank, Toole, Cairns, Seven Points, Trinidad, Blooming Grove, Bardwell, Angus, Alma, Enchanted Oaks, Barry, Bardwell Lake, Flag Lake, Lake Halbert, Cedar Creek Reservoir, Trinidad Lake and Richland Chambers Reservoir. This includes Interstate 45 between mile markers 226 and 252. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Daniel Gallagher, convicted of murder in the second degree, and we understand you do have a statement you've prepared.